out there on my channel, okay, where I analyze GBPJPY under 50 minutes time frame, okay. I marked out the smart money key levels, the order block where I'm seeing price reacting to, and then we're able to mark out like 2 order blocks, okay. Let me quickly show you guys an MT5 before we proceed. Now, 2 areas here where we can see a break of structure and an order block that formed out a break of structure. You can see the first break of structure over here and the second one. Now, this one has its own order block and this one has its own order block. So I'll just map out the order block and the break of structure in a very tiny way. This is MT5. You might not be able to see everything clearly, but this is an order block clearly resting here. Okay, this is the first order block, and the one at the top is the second order block. So I'm also going to be marking out the break of structures in a very tiny way you get to understand. Sorry, we go again. Now this is the first break of structure we have to the upside. Okay, and this is the second break of structure on the 15 minutes time frame. Now these 2 break of structures, like I said, okay, they have their origin that formed them out, this origin and this one. Now this is the first order block, this is the second one. Now I see price reacting to this first order block, like I see price respecting it. Now price can decide to come back to this first order block, but I see it respecting this order block, at least for now. So anything playing out on our chart, I want you guys to pay attention. The price might be pushing to the upside now, like you're seeing it. Okay, it might be pushing to the upside, but then this is how the market works most often. It must definitely come back here to respect or react around this zone before it can massively push to the upside. So we see what plays out, we'll see what happens. So I'll be kind of setting some orders, a buy order at this point, at this area, the second order block. Now this is my account balance, nothing yet. So let me set a pending order here. As soon as price get to this area, I want to see it react. So I'll be using a standard lot on this first entry, or this first order, 1 lot size. So my take profit is going to be here at this point of reversal at the top here, point of reversal. So we see how it works, we see what happens as soon as price get to this area and react. So the first order we have, so I might be having up to like 2-3 orders, but as soon as price taps us in, I'm going to let you guys know. So don't go anywhere, stay connected to this channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video as much as 50 likes and join my Telegram community where I share updates and everything you need to know when it comes to forex trading education. So see you guys very soon in this same video. I'm just going to pause it and we'll come back to it shortly. Okay, so guys, this is the current situation of things on my screen. Okay, you can see on GBPJPY, just like I analyzed earlier, okay, you can see price has retraced back and triggered my entry. You can see all trades in profit, $300 and something, and we hope for the best. We hope for the best. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Join my Telegram community where I share updates, where I share videos, and where I give signals most times too, okay? Just be part of us and you won't regret it, okay? So we'll keep holding on this trade to see what plays out. We'll keep holding on the trade. You can see $560 something currently. So we expect the trade to push up from this area to our take profit. So in the next maybe few minutes or an hour, it will be playing out. So I'll keep you guys updated still one more time on this trade, and I'll call it a day on this video. Stay connected and don't go nowhere. So guys, you can see what is currently happening on my screen. This is a sniper entry. So whenever you have setups like this, whenever you see me analyze setups or charts like this, please do not joke with it. Okay, to be a successful forex trader and a winning forex trader, you have like 10 trades or 10 charts or pairs analyzed, and you have maybe 7 of them play out properly the way you analyze it. That makes you a good trader. So if you've been following me on my channel, you will discover that out of 10 trades or 10 analysis I make on my channel, I end up hitting like 7 to 8. Maybe 2, 3 might go wrong, which is normal as a forex trader, right? This is what is currently happening, guys. 600 and something dollars up. So in no distant time, it should be shooting up the more. Almost $1,000 now, guys. So please do not take my videos when you see my videos on YouTube, on Telegram for granted. All right. The intention of creating this channel is to give value. And I want to try as much as possible to give you guys value. And as soon as we start going on a larger screen, all right, I want you guys to also take that seriously. So as soon as it pushes further to the upside, okay, somewhere very reasonable, I'll be taking 1 or 2 pictures for my thumbnail on my Telegram. This is like $1,000 right now. So I'll be taking a picture, a snapshot rather, and send to my Telegram community and for my thumbnail. Guys, don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification so that whenever I drop videos, you always get notified. Alright? And see you again very soon on the same video. I'm going to hold it a little more and I'll update you guys one more time. So far so good, guys. You can see what is happening on my screen. Like I promised you guys to always update you as the trade keeps playing out positively. As the candlesticks keep pushing up, you can see $1,300, 300 and something dollars already. And you can see how this trade is pushing massively to the upside. So I'm expecting it in no distant time to hit my TP. All right, this point is my TP. And of course, I'll be adjusting all stop losses very soon. But you can see the massive push that is currently happening on my chart. You can see the massive push. So in order for this video not to be too lengthy, I'll be calling it a day here. But then I'll just have to adjust my stop losses in the shortest possible time as well. $1,500. $1,500. So I'll just adjust my stop losses to break even, possibly. And then I'll call it a day on this video. At least 7 minutes video, 8 minutes video, not so bad, right? So at this point in time, guys, let me just adjust my stop losses a bit more. And after a while, I'll be breaking even. I have three trees running. I have 3 trees running. So this is a sniper entry, okay? Sniper entry, guys. So over here, my stop losses. So we are close to $2,000 currently, and it's pushing massive to the upside. Right, is pushing massive to the upside. In the shortest possible time, our take profit will be smashed. And trust me, guys, it cannot be better than this. All right, if the trade doesn't go your way, just know it's a good trade so long as all your analysis, your setup, your confidences are intact. Okay, so join my Telegram community where I share updates, signals, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video as much as 100 likes. If I've been giving you value on this channel, please, that's the only way you encourage me and keep the YouTube recommending my videos to more newbies that need to see this video. Okay, don't forget, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you again in my next video. And bye.